Welcome to Bison Ridge by Pulte Homes, where thoughtful design meets everyday comfort. Right away, the open foyer and tall ceilings create a light, airy first impression that sets the tone for the entire home. This main living space is the heart of the home. Open, comfortable, and perfect for everyday living or entertaining. The kitchen is designed to stay connected with an open layout that keeps you part of the conversation no matter what's happening. With generous counter space, a large island, and modern finishes, this kitchen balances style with real-life functionality. The primary suite is thoughtfully tucked away, offering privacy and a peaceful place to unwind at the end of the day. The ensuite bath feels like a retreat, with clean lines, generous space, and a layout designed for comfort. The media room offers great space for family entertainment. Every part of this floor plan was designed with comfort, flow, and everyday living in mind, making it a home that truly works for you. If you're considering new construction, this is a floor plan worth seeing in person. Want pricing, incentives, or availability? Let's talk! Like, subscribe, share for more weekly new build tour videos.